Hey guys, last day of our mini topic reviews. We are talking about solving for the x values, the roots, the solutions, the zeros, except now we're using the square root method. All right, so I hope that you notice that this kind of looks like vertex form a little bit, right? We've got a term squared, and then we've got other numbers after it. All right, it's not perfectly in vertex form, but you should be recognizing that a little bit. All right, so for the square root method, we need to recognize that this guy has a square, and we need to get everything else to the other side of that equal sign. So in this case, we would just add the 2 to both sides of the equal, so that the only thing left on this side is the numbers or variables inside of the parentheses being squared. All right, and then the 2's cancel out. 7 plus 2 is 9. All right, now, actually, let me just rewrite this over here so I have a little bit more room. All right, so the inverse, the opposite, just like a positive and a negative 2 cancel out, a square and a square root will cancel out. But what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. And when you do it to a number, you've got to put positive and negative, because 3 squared is 9, but also negative 3 squared is 9. Okay? So these guys cancel out, and I'm left with x plus 4 equals positive and negative. And again, the square root of 9 is 3. So this positive negative guy just means that I've got x plus 4 equals to a positive 3, and x plus 4 is equal to a negative 3. So that's what that positive negative means. Now I'm going to solve. So here I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. X equals negative 1. And here, again, I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. Nothing changed about this x plus 4 side, right? That's identical. The only thing that changed was the 3 and negative 3. All right, so now 4 minus 4 cancels out. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. So my roots, my solutions, right, roots, solutions, zeros, and what else do we call them? X-intercepts are negative 1 and negative 7, number 3. All right, don't forget your exit ticket, your quizzes, question, and that project. Remember, that project is due today, so get on to it, all right? I will see you and have a fantastic, wonderful weekend.